Hi everybody, it's Patti and Debbie, Print and Pixel Studio, and we have a really cool video today. We got the nicest Happy Meal from one of our viewers. Her name is MaryKay, and this is the little note card that came with it, and I just think that is so adorable. Really, really cute. But anyhow, we got a box full of really cool stuff, and neither Debbie or I have seen all of it. We just kind of peeked in the top part because we couldn't wait to see what was in there. But let's see, I'm going to move this box over to the side. And we got this great bag of lace, and she must have known that we really need lace. We don't have that much of it. And so she sent us tons of really, ooh, look at this one. We haven't seen these yet, so this is new to us as well. This is gorgeous with the gold on it. Cute, cute, cute. Oh my gosh, MaryKay, thank you.
MaryKay answered our call that we needed napkins.
Yeah.
But apparently she thought we needed a lot more than napkins because she sent us tons of fun stuff.
Ooh, I love this.
Ooh, that's
look
cool.
at that. Yeah.
Oh, we have nothing like that.
No,
That is
we
really
don't.
cool.
We don't have anything like any of
it,
these.
yes. Oh, this is
No,
fun.
gorgeous.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, gosh. Geez, MaryKay, thank you. And then here's, I mean, we never expected a big box of stuff like this. We thought we were going to get a few napkins, which we would, we're really thrilled about. Oh, cute, cute, cute. This looks like a little vintage car. Yeah,
cute.
Right.
Oh, I
With the
love
little
that.
French poodle.
Oh, cute.
Cute. Oh, gosh, these are so perfect. Oh, look at this cute thing. How cute is this? Ah, can't get it out of the package. There we go. Oh, that's adorable.
Oh,
Am I in the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, cute, cute, cute. Oh, we'll have a lot of fun with these.
Journaling pages.
Yeah, journaling pages. Perfect. Oh, this is cute. For Easter, wouldn't that be fun? Oh, and these are cute too. Really cute. Oh my gosh, MaryKay.
This is just the top of the box.
This is like Christmas.
I know, right?
I know. This is just the top of the box, like Debbie said.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see what we got in here.
Wow.
Oh, cute. Super cute.
Oh.
And let's see this one. Oh, this is cute.
Cute.
Really cute. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Yeah. Gosh.
Cute, cute, cute. Oh, that's cute. A little tidbit. Jeez, MaryKay.
Spoiling us.
I know. We're going to be
Really have to get busy
journaling
now.
for years.
I know, right?
Come on out, guys. Oh, these are real cute. Oh, feel chirpy soon. Cute.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, very cute. Look at the, can you guys see these little birds? They're adorable. Super cute. Gosh sakes. This is quite the Happy Meal. Oh, this is neat. It's coffee, the deal,
Oh,
coffee deal.
yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, that
Those
would
are
be
neat.
cool.
Yeah, I love the
Pocket
texture on this.
yeah.
Yeah, I never thought about using
No,
those, but that's
yeah.
really cool. And we always need scrap. And this is cool. It's like a stencil.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect. More journaling pages, which we can always use. Oh, this is
Those
a
are
neat
pretty.
pattern.
Yeah.
Really neat pattern. Perfect. Cute.
Cute little flower.
Oh, yeah, a little embossed flower. Cute, cute, cute. Another little piece of embossed paper with little
cute.
hearts.
That's really
Adorable. Yeah.
Valentine's Day is next week.
I know. Cute. I know, it sure is. Oh, this is great because we need scrap paper. We don't have any cute print.
Cute, yeah. Oh, I love the
look
little
at the little
squirrels.
squirrel.
cute.
Super cute. And I like how you embossed this, Mary Kay, and then inked over it.
Oh, yeah.
Cute. Very cute.
Those are
The little
cute.
hearts. Cute, cute, cute
It's
stuff.
definitely happy mail. It's very
Yeah,
cheerful.
it is.
Yeah.
Very cheerful.
Oh, cute.
And tons of patterns that we don't have, you know, which is neat.
Yes.
This is
those
cute.
Are cute.
This is adorable. That's cool. We were
Yeah.
just talking about getting started on some Easter projects. Love it. Love this.
Yeah, that's cute.
Oh, neat. Little envelope.
Oh, cute.
Geez, Mary Kay. We're spoiled, man.
Like I said, this is just the top of the box. We were expecting just some
Cute.
napkins.
Cute, cute, cute. I know. Geez.
Oh, they're so colorful.
Oh, and another little. I know. I like that. You know, with springtime coming and stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, cute. Very, very cute. Oh, here's another one of those little birds.
Yeah,
I'm going to
they're
put him in here so we can. Here. You have him
Okay.
over there? Yeah. Oh, this is neat in the paisley. Pretty. Got it.
Oh, my goodness.
Jeez, a bigger table.
Right?
Oh, wow. I've never seen a Reader's Digest like this one.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this. Ooh,
an
this
old
could make a cool journal.
1964,
Yeah,
yeah.
this could be a cool journal cover, you know? Really cool. Wow. Yeah, I haven't seen one like this at all.
Gosh, it's in pristine condition, too.
I know. Oh, my gosh. This is really a fine Mary
yeah.
Kay. Really cool.
Look at the pages are all nice.
I
and
know, the
aged. I
colors.
love it.
Yeah, right. Right. You don't have to do anything to them. Pretty
no.
cool.
Yeah, love it.
Yeah, great. Gosh, thank you. I'm so impressed with that. I've never seen one like that.
Right? There's some more books. And
Oh, these are cute. Super cute. And that's right, Mary Kay. All things are possible. Really nice. Really, really nice. Cute. These are really cute. That'd be cute to make a journal for Kat, you know, our little
yes.
pre-teener
Yeah.
with those. That would be really cute.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a nice book. Oh, this is a real nice book. Oh, this is a nice book you might want to read, you know?
Yes.
Cute. Very cute. And here's another cute one. Gee, this is an old book.
Intermediate school library book.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, these are neat pages.
Oh, yeah.
Cute. Very, very cute.
Here's
Oh
what we
my
were
gosh.
waiting for.
Oh my word. There's
There's
like let me show this. There's some napkins in here.
Yeah.
Oh, cute. Oh, I love this with the birds.
And the butterflies.
Yeah,
cute.
super cute.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, these are nice quality too. Really nice quality. Cute, cute, cute. I love. Oh, look at the
Ooh,
back.
that's pretty.
Yeah.
Oh
Gorgeous.
gosh.
Oh, this is beautiful. Really pretty. Oh, so is this. Really pretty. Jeez. It's another cute one.
That's
Cute for Easter. Yeah. Oh, gosh,
Pretty.
the colors are
I
gorgeous.
know, right?
And these are such nice quality.
Gosh.
Really nice quality. Feel those.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Really nice. More Santies. This is a cute one too. They're all, ooh, I love
Ooh,
this.
gosh, look at the
Ooh,
colors
yeah,
in
look at
that.
that. Really,
Oh, wow.
gosh. Ooh, gorgeous. Ooh, that would be neat. Cute, cute, cute. So are these. My gosh,
Man,
and there's
we
such
are
a
gonna be-
there's such a variety of
I
style.
know, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Gosh. I mean, we never see anything like
No,
this ever.
no. Ooh, those are pretty.
Aren't they? Oh, the colors are just, ooh, and the sunflowers are neat.
Here's another pile of them.
Oh. This is cute. Super cute with the Eiffel Tower.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, really cute. Really cute. Could do a lot with that. Yeah.
I
Oh,
like
more
those
birds. I love the
yeah.
birds. Yeah. Very, very cute. Oh, cute. Gosh, I don't know why we could never find anything
I
like
know,
this.
right?
Yeah. This is cute too. Love it.
Yeah.
Very cute. These are all signed, so they're all, you know, designer stuff.
Yeah.
Super cute.
Little
Oh.
kitties.
Oh, cute. That could be
Oh,
really
yeah.
cute.
Holy moly, we gotta find some napkin projects.
Yes, we do. Oh, these are cute.
Mm-hmm. Oh, she
Another
has a
cute
Tuesday mornings. We had
We
that
used, they
store,
went
and
bankrupt.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, they're no longer with us. Yep. That was a good store to go to for stuff like this, you know?
Yeah.
I'm surprised you never went with me in there, did you?
No.
I wonder why.
I don't
Oh, I love
know.
the butterflies with the polka dots.
Yeah, those are cute.
Yeah, so is this.
Yeah, they are. That's a
Yeah. This kind of reminds you of 1970s.
Yeah.
Ooh, here's a neat one. Look at this.
Oh gosh, yeah.
Birds. Cute, cute, cute. You know, it's just such a variety of
I know,
styles and
right?
patterns. Gosh, MaryKay, where in the world do you get all these?
There's some more. And there's more.
And there's more, too. So cute. Oh, I could see a lot of projects coming with these.
Yeah.
Oh, I love the colors in this.
Ooh, that one's a neat one.
Yeah. Yeah. Is that more? Oh my gosh. Very cute. Very cute. That's pretty too. Good girl on Thanksgiving. I mean, there's every season, every kind of a pattern and style.
I know.
My
right?
gosh. Yeah.
Here's the bottom.
Oh, wow. Ooh, I love this on the black.
I do too.
Yeah.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Mhm. Yeah. Oh, cute.
Mm-hmm.
Very cute. So is this. And this is real cute too.
Yes, I love that.
And Christmas, well, my gosh, MaryKay, we never expected anything like this.
Got a couple napkins were coming.
I know.
Man, I was like, there's this big heavy box, but I don't think it's napkins because it's too heavy. When I opened it up, wow.
Well, it's so nice. My gosh, I don't know. We don't know how to thank you, MaryKay. It's so thoughtful of you.
Oh.
What a nice person. What a nice gift. Thank you.
We will
And this is our very first Happy Meal.
This
Happy
is?
Meal. I said Happy Meal. Happy Meal we've ever had.
I know.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, let me see that. Oh, this is cute. Oh, super cute. Yeah. Oh, so's that. That's
Tray
cute. Yeah.
pieces. Oh my gosh.
Really cute. Super cute.
Oh, this is cute in the blacks and stuff.
Oh,
We don't-
yeah. We don't have anything like that.
Yeah,
It's
we
cute
had
with a
that-
little stripe on it.
Mhm.
That's the thing of it. There's a lot of different. Oh, here's some more of that
Yeah,
snow
pink.
type stuff. Yeah. I love this.
Yeah.
That is really cool.
Those are
Let me see that. Oh, yeah. Cute. I could have used those earlier when I was doing that
I
project.
know,
Remember,
you
I
needed-
was looking for something like that?
yeah. This is cute.
Oh, yeah. Super dainty.
Wow.
Oh, my gosh. And
blown
look at the
away.
yellow.
I know, right? Just
Yeah.
numbers.
Beautiful. Just beautiful.
Just so much.
Yeah. I know. My gosh. Thank you so much, MaryKay. MaryKay has a YouTube channel as well, and we're going to, ooh, here's another one. Let's see this one. Look at this.
Oh, yeah. That's
Yeah.
cool.
She has a YouTube channel as well, and we're going to link over to her channel. I don't know, does she have a, I have an old timers, you know, the Instagram? I thought she had an
She does.
Instagram.
We'll
Yeah, if
link
she
all
does,
of
we'll
her-
link that to
I
you.
think she's on Facebook, Instagram. I think she has a Ko-fi shop.
Yeah, I know she has a Ko-fi
And
shop.
definitely YouTube. But
Yeah.
yeah, definitely go and
Any of those we'll link
check her
over
out.
to her
Yeah.
because you should go over and check her out. She does some really cute stuff.
Oh, this is
And,
so cute. Sorry.
Oh, yeah, that is cute.
Isn't
Ooh, I
that
love
cute?
that. Yeah, that is super cute. But yeah, so you should check her out. She's got some neat stuff over there, and she's a very interesting, person. So I know that really,
Yes.
so I know that you would enjoy her channel. So thank you again, MaryKay. Gosh, can't even imagine such a nice gift. So I guess we'll talk to you later.